how to read Snapchat messages without them knowing. So if you want to read your Snapchat messages without letting the other people know that you have read, then first of all open up your Snapchat application, and then you can go for chats, which is on the bottom left, and here you will have your chats, right? So if you want to simply see the chat without opening the chat, then so for example I'm taking this chat which is from Team Snapchat, and now to read the chat you can simply swipe right side with the profile of that account. So I'm choosing the Team Snapchat. You can simply tap on that profile of Team Snapchat and you can go right side. For example like this, you have to simply hold your finger. Don't release your finger. If you release your finger, then that person will know that you have opened that chat. So without releasing your finger, you can simply read that chat, and then you can go back, and that's it. Now you can see that I have not opened that chat. So that's it. You can simply hold on to that profile and then you can swipe right. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.